mission, should you choose to accept it, is to destroy the evil alien monster Dr. Kensho from wreaking havoc on the school and the universe. If you fail this mission, the Doctor will release a poisonous gas that will terminate all living beings. Well, maybe not, but he's really annoying. His crimes are dreaded by the innocent school children trying to get a quality education in chemistry, and these evil deeds must stop.
Okay, go.
Luckily, we were able to figure out the Doctor's one weakness here at headquarters: Chemiluminescence. To carry out this mission, you must expose Dr. Kensho to a photon of bright blue-green light produced by excitable molecule of 3-amino phthalate. There is a precise and top-secret procedure that must be followed to carry out this experiment, and if any human eyes are to view the contents of this paper, then they must be destroyed along with Miss Dr. Kensho. Please be careful. The Doctor can be a very dangerous prankster. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First, measure out 0.1 grams of luminol. Luminol is used in crime scenes. It reacts with hemoglobin in the blood, which makes it glow, showing any residual blood that cannot be seen. Measure out 5 milliliters of 3 molar sodium hydroxide solution. luminol with the sodium hydroxide with 45 milliliters of water. This makes the luminol become diatomic. Measure out 10 milliliters of 3% aqueous potassium ferrocyanide. Next, measure out 10 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide decomposes into oxygen and water spontaneously. Mix the hydrogen peroxide with the potassium ferrocyanide. Dilute the solution with 80 milliliters of water. When the two beakers are mixed, the reaction produces lots of light instead of lots of heat. The reaction gives off only a small amount of heat. The temperature goes up only slightly. Pour the luminol solution with the solution of hydrogen peroxide and potassium ferrocyanide in a 250 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask with a funnel. Add some ferrocyanide crystals to increase the intensity of the glow. Now, secret agents, watch the infamous Dr. Ken show become destroyed.
you have no idea how fast time goes. See, there's a whole bunch of German sisters, and that's the last of the German sisters. It's a great idea if you can bend it, and you can make different shapes, and you can run the stuff through.
Is there anyone
different
who
shapes.
done math out of glass so I could brand it on knee-high?
We used to do stuff like this. You know, the problem is, oh, it's dangerous. The kids will cut themselves. You know what? We used to do biolab. We used to stab ourselves and take our blood pipes. I'm serious. You had to do it. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine now your teacher's saying, you're saying to your teacher saying, stab yourself and make yourself bleed. But that's the way we did biolabs. Now, I think you're allowed to scrape the inside of your cheek, right? The only thing wrong with this is if you do it, it starts to make... Yep, twój macho i wagował.
Oh, you look like a real scientist. I'm testing. So, are you okay with being a villain? Do you accept your mission?
I'm just pouring water. Are you recording right now?
Flip tables over if you want. Does it?
I just spill water.
That's not very villainous, though.
And then I'll mess up your hair.
Okay, that's too much now.
What the F was that?
Action. Action.
Ready?
Action.
Where is it?
And go.
Too low. She's not ready. Okay, you guys can stop. Hold on. Tell me when to cue the light.
Can you even see me?
Yeah. Yes, Ken, show you're not blind. Actually, it's kind of hard to see him, but whatever. It's struggle.
Why does the light turn
And light.
Oh.